Hey guys, it's Kiwi back with another video. I'll be telling you guys all my secrets to keeping my face clean, clear, bright, and soft. This is not a sponsored video. All of the products that I mentioned in this video are just products that I use just for everyday use. So, one product that I use very often is the Vanity Planet Ultimate Skin Spa Facial Cleansing System. And here it is. So this facial cleansing spin brush comes with 3 attachable gentle brush heads, and it comes in this cute traveling case. But this brush and carrying case comes in 3 different colors: blue, pink, and purple. This is the cleansing facial brush, which I use to remove hard to get makeup off. It removes any leftover makeup I may have, and it comes with 2 different speeds that you can use. This is the exfoliating facial brush I use to get rid of dead skin cells. We have the silicone brush, which helps me keep oils and moisture packed on the beautiful skin. I truly recommend this affordable product. If you want to have clean, clear, and bright skin, you can purchase this product at vanityplanet.com. And you can follow them on their Instagram at Vanity Planet Store. I'll also have the link in the description box below. So the next product that I use is Noxema. This is my holy grail. Like, Noxema is a part of my family now. Like, I absolutely live by Noxema Ultimate Clear Anti-Blemish Pads. Let me tell you about these. It could be blemishes, pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, clogged pores, oily skin, rashes. Honey, get you some of these Noxema pads. These Noxema pads prevents breakouts and clears them up as well. I use 1 to 2 of these Noxema pads every day once I get out the shower. And I just wipe them on my face like this. And then it's just getting rid of the dirt. So, this feels so good. It feels like, alcohol, but much like your skin is starting to breathe, And this is how I basically use them. Look at that dirt. It's taken off all of that dirt that you can't even see. You understand? I mean, that hides deep within your pores. But this I use after I get out the shower, and then I add a little bit of moisturizer to my face, and then I'm done. That's pretty much it. But these are great pads, and you should really try these Noxema anti-blemish wipes. These Noxema pads gets the job done, seriously. Okay, so let's get into some skin treatments I do daily as well. Everyone should try out a skin mask from time to time. Pamper that skin, honey, One mask that I usually tend to always use is this Yes to Tomatoes Detoxifying Charcoal Peel Off Mask. This stuff is really good. Okay. So this mask comes with a built-in spatula for less mess. See this? For less mess. Can we say yes to less mess? And yes, I did say peel off mask. Now, don't be alarmed. When you peel off the mask, you will not be peeling off your face, okay? When you peel off the mask, you will not be peeling off your face. This is an easy to remove mask. I usually let the mask dry on my face for 10 to 12 minutes. Then I use the spatula to help me peel off the mask. Okay. I also use this charcoal and black sugar mask. It is a wash-off mask. This is not a peel-off mask, but charcoal is really great for the skin. It picks up all of the dirt and stuff inside of your pores effortlessly. So this is one that I use, and I also use this cucumber cooling peel-off mask. This stuff feels so lightweight on your face, but it keeps your face nice and soft and just feeling nice and oily if your skin is dry. So you can pick these little masks up at your local Target or your local Walmart, any of those stores for a really small, cheap price. So these are the masks that I use daily. Okay, so moving on. Okay, so last but not least, me being a YouTuber, especially that my YouTube focuses on using makeup products on a daily, I had to have these two beauty products. And that is the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes and the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. These right here are heaven's wipes. These wipes wipe the sin away. Let me tell you, honey. Okay? See that? Oh, beautiful. Yes, they do. This right here is holy water for the beat gods. Okay? Let me show you how these work. So I actually went to go put on some makeup off camera, and this is what I look like. Beats, honey. No, but for real, I went to go put on some makeup, you know, and I wanted to test out the white and the cleansing water. So that's what I'm about to do, and I'm about to show you guys easy these makeup removers can remove makeup. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the makeup wipes. Like I was showing you guys, they're beautiful, they're big, you know, they cover your whole damn face. Okay, so anyways, so we take this wipe, and I don't know if you can see, I do have eyeshadow and everything, but I'm going to probably take some makeup right from right here under the eye. Let's see if you can see that. If you haven't heard about these yet, girl, you don't know what you missing out on. You know, when you come home from a party or a get together and you have a ton of makeup on your face and you just want to go to sleep, you're tired, but you're like, damn, I gotta wash my face. And you wash your face and it takes like 100 hours to get the makeup off. Don't fret, girl. Don't look no further. Get these Neutrogena makeup wipes, girl. What are you talking about? So, as you can see, half of my face looks clear. Even the eyebrow. Oh, shit. Ooh, look at that eyebrow. Oh, wow. Don't mind me looking crazy with my eye. Can you see that? Whoosh. Now, look at this face. Ooh, and it's so bright. To this face. You see what I'm saying? Ooh, girl. I mean, I just removed most of the damn makeup off of my face without a drip of water. You understand? Whatever is in here in this formula, oh my God. So it really looks good. I mean, wow. I didn't really want to take my eyebrow off, but shit, I did. So, we have this lip off. Now look at the makeup wipe. Oh, this is most of the makeup that was on my face. Like, and I didn't even finish using like this part of the wipe. So this could possibly do my whole face. You understand? Well, it can. I'm not gonna say possibly. Now I'm gonna get into the cleansing water by Garnier. Okay, so what you want to have is you want to have these cotton rounds. They're cotton pads, like cotton balls, but they're round and flat. Okay, so I'm gonna open these and I'm gonna show you guys how I remove my makeup with. I want to take two because they're kind of thin, so take two so that there's no water. And it's already open, so I'm just gonna drip some of this on. I don't want to waste any product, so you know, soak it, and then we're gonna do this side. Whoa. And you only need like 1 or 2 wipes, but not really. You really don't need too much. Oh, and this removes waterproof mascara, waterproof eyeliner, anything waterproof, it still removes it. I don't know if you can see, but my whole face is pretty much like clean. And that was just one little pad, like, and it just removed all of the water, like, I mean, all of the makeup. I'm not gonna do my eyebrow because I'm about to go outside and I don't really doing my eyebrows all over again. But as you can see, now look at this. Ugh, nasty. But it's not on my face. Can you see it on my face? Look how clear my face looks. See? And it's cleansing your face at the same time. Like, now you can go wash your face with the Ultimate Skin Spa by Vanity Planet, and your face will be like pure clean. I mean, and it only took me about two to 3 minutes to do these. Like, that was really fast. So that is the ending result, and that is basically all of the products that I use, and just to keep my face clean and clear and shiny and smooth and just looking bright and healthy. So if you like this video and these tips were very helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content. And I actually have a couple more tips and products that I use on a daily, so I mean, just wait for that, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna give you all the tips right now, but I'm gonna give you some, and just bear with me, okay? I got y'all. Y'all face gonna be looking nice and shiny and bright, just like this. No pimples. You know, I used to have marks all over here, but you know that Noxema girl got it in check. But thanks for watching this video.